Here we have a Hardinge DSM 59 precision lathe. We got it hooked up to 230 volt 3-phase power, and we're gonna run it and show you that it works. Before we run it, we'll just show you inside the compartments here, the motors. This is where your motor compartment is. And then right over here we have some storage. It comes with a few bits here. And it comes with the small bit holder. Okay, first thing we'll do is show you the coolant. Okay, it's got a light up here. Okay, and it's got a turret. You see how it kind of turns here as you hit the lever. Okay, and now we're going to turn on our spindle here. Okay, so you got two levers. We're gonna go with the low first and reverse. So that's reverse right there. So you see it was going this way. We'll do it one more time. And then now we'll go forward. And now it's going this way. And now you also have a speed controller. You can go slower or you can go faster. Okay. Now we're going to take you on the high speed. So we got to go on the high on that lever, and then we'll go forward. And this is like pretty much the highest speed that you can go. Okay, that is a Hardinge DSM 59 precision lathe.